Searching for the best auto body shop in the Georgetown, Texas Sun City area? If you are looking for an auto body repair shop in Georgetown Sun City area, you have been in an accident. Being associated with a car or truck mishap is constantly an unpleasant experience. Besides the legal and medical hassles that you need to get into, there is another element that requires to be looked after, i.e. car or truck collision repair work. When your vehicle is associated with the mishap, you need to ensure that all the damage to the car or truck is fixed at the most affordable possible expense. To achieve this goal, you require to discover a trustworthy service center that has a proficient group of collision experts, who can bring your harmed vehicle back to its initial shape. Watch this auto body shop video in Sun City. So what do you do? If you're looking for collision repair work, you'll need to discover a service center you can rely on. That's not constantly simple. After all, the majority of the time you will not understand if the service center is attempting to scam you until it's far too late. So what can be done to conserve you your time, your cash, and your nerves? Body collision repair quote in Georgetown Sun City. The estimate given to you must be authorized by the insurance company. Otherwise, you may need to pay the repair work expenses. Look for a collision service center that is recommended, that are expert and are insured to give you worth for your cash. Body collision repair insurance recommendations. If your car or truck is guaranteed for any kind of damage, repairable or non-repairable, the business requires to take responsibility for all expenses. For that reason, the collision repair work suppliers usually access the insurance coverage companies and provide the quote for an estimate. This is then worked out and agreed upon, considering your protection and policy. Body collision repair equipment. High-tech devices is now available at vehicle service center, like the laser determining system. This system makes sure that the repair work is done accurately. Body collision repair mechanics. Many a times, car or truck mishaps include more than simple external damage. The wheels get destroyed, radiators squashed, exhaust bent and more. You must likewise get the transmission and positioning checked. The right mechanic and the right store guarantee your vehicle is as good as brand new prior to returning it to you. Body collision repair near you. A repairer that offers a warranty on its services definitely shows to be more trustworthy and trustworthy for car or truck collision repair work. When searching for a service center near you, you must ask for any repair work warranties provided by the center, so that if anything fails with the repair work, you can constantly return and get it repaired. Truck body parts. There are many risks you confront with a subpar vehicle repair work. Collision repair work will be expensive, however, do not let this overwhelm you. With all the risks included with cheap and less than professional repair work, the wiser option will constantly be to have your vehicle fixed and brought back at a respectable and insurance coverage company approved used car or truck collision center who brings much of the parts required to repair. Request the best truck paint and auto body shop's most typical repair work task is painting or repainting a car or truck. Even a simple scratch can make your car or truck appearance unattractive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.